Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. So this tutorial is going to be about the website, and today I'm going to show you a simple tutorial based on like a thank you page. So basically, when you are selling or trying to sell something like an e-commerce or products on your website, so there is a thank you page. So now I'm going to show you how you can edit that thank you page. So to start with, just open editor of that website and click on pages, menu on pages, and then go to card and thank you. Click on thank you page, then thank you page will open, and then we can make the changes. So here's the thing, here's the thank you page, and this is the kind of a widget that it has. So currently you can see the text is black and the background is the same as the background of the page. So click on settings, click on design. So if you want to change design, just click on this and change to whatever color you want to transfer it. But here it will not change all the color. As you can see, the middle color has been changed. Then you can also change this color and put it 100% like this. Put the same color. Yeah, here it is. Then the border color can be set the border width. You can add the title and font color. Let's make it white for now, just to show you guys. So editing or the design of any of the widget, of any of the page or any elements in Wix is pretty much simple and common. Similar text you can edit title, subtitle, order number label, total cost label, shipping address label, billing address label, payment method label, order with subscription title, subtitle, subscription label, link, continue browsing link, where does it link to? So a bunch of options, right? Then you can also manage. I go to dashboard. So currently we are not going there, but I hope you get it about the design here. And you can also change page design or background to the same that we have. So now I will again change it to something better. Change it to this dark red, and you can also change this one to the dark red like the other one. Click on this change again. Click on this change. So you can also keep like this, and you can also keep it like this, the different background here like this. So I hope you get it. Thanks for watching.